Okay, my name's Mike Machado. I work at the Gladstone Institutes. I'm a research associate in the Akassoglou Lab. So we focus on mechanisms of inflammation and repair in multiple sclerosis and other neurological disorders and diseases. My role in the lab is slightly unique compared to the other postdocs and grad students and research associates. My main focus is to drive the development and adoption of new technologies into the lab. So what I really focus on is evaluating what technology we currently have in terms of microscopes or data analysis tools, and try to really investigate how we can optimize them. So a lot of the things that I've done have been writing code to process the data really quickly so we can get the results faster, which as in any industry, especially in academia, when you're on a time crunch, it's very important to get the data as quickly as you can. So I was actually the first one in my family to go to college, a four-year university, I should say. When I was a little kid, I always liked to find the coolest, newest gadgets. My parents hated it because I was like, I'm going to go buy a new computer or something like that, and then I'm going to take it apart and try to put it back together. But I like coming into the lab and having new problems that we've never faced before. And while part of the lab will be focusing on how to attack that in terms of biological mechanisms, how can we design a new assay to really test this, I like thinking, what new technology can we use that we don't have already? Or what technology do we have that we're not using to its fullest extent yet? So I like coming in and trying to design new methods of designing experiments or analyzing the data or that type of thing. A lot of our equipment is all over the place. So we have some multiphoton microscopes upstairs, which are really, really cool toys. And so I spend a lot of time up there imaging on those, and I also spend a lot of time here at my bench. I have a computer set up and a little work area where I've been designing some custom laboratory equipment for the lab and doing data analysis at the computer as well. When clinicians are really, or drug companies or what have you, are trying to design new drugs for patients, they really need the research to back it up. And a lot of the base research that really spurs the development of new drugs and therapeutics comes from academic institutions like ours, where we really put together the puzzle pieces on the mechanisms. And then from there, we can really design new therapeutics that will target these mechanisms.